Welcome to THT Design, your ultimate destination for home design inspiration. We're passionate about helping you create your dream home, from the grand exterior to the cozy interior. Our channel offers a wealth of ideas, tips, and tutorials to guide you through every step of the design process. Whether you're building a new home or renovating an existing one, we've got you covered. Join us as we explore various architectural styles, interior design trends, and practical DIY projects to transform your house into a home you'll love. A warm brownstone house, a rustic retreat. Nestled amidst a lush tropical garden, a small, rustic, warm brownstone house exudes a timeless charm. The rich hue of the stone lends a sense of warmth and earthiness to the structure, while the thatched roof provides a traditional and organic touch. The surrounding landscape, with its expansive lawn and towering coconut trees, completes the idyllic picture of a peaceful retreat. The warm brownstone exterior of the house creates a welcoming atmosphere, inviting residents and visitors alike to step inside. The rough texture of the stone adds a tactile element, while the natural variations in color and tone contribute to the overall character of the building. The thatched roof, a traditional roofing material in many parts of the world, not only provides shelter but also adds a rustic and authentic aesthetic. The expansive lawn in front of the house offers a sense of openness and tranquility. It provides a space for outdoor activities, relaxation, and simply enjoying the beauty of the surrounding nature. The towering coconut trees behind the house add a tropical touch, their fronds swaying gently in the breeze. The combination of the lawn and the coconut trees creates a harmonious and visually appealing landscape. The small, rustic, warm brownstone house features a cozy interior. The living room is adorned with exposed wooden beams and comfortable leather sofas. The kitchen boasts rustic cabinetry, granite countertops, and a vintage farmhouse sink. The bedroom is a serene retreat with plush bedding, natural wood accents, and large windows overlooking the tropical garden. The bathroom features a clawfoot bathtub, marble tile floors, and a vintage vanity. A small, rustic, warm brown stone house with a thatched roof, a lawn, and a tropical garden offers a unique and inviting living experience. The combination of natural materials, traditional design elements, and the surrounding landscape creates a peaceful and harmonious retreat. This type of home is ideal for those seeking a connection with nature and a simple, yet comfortable lifestyle. Please comment below to share your favorite home design style. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your home. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.